Okay, good morning, everyone. I think it is still morning noon. So, so we are going to finish our chapter, Expert Detectives. Hope the chapter so far is understood to each and everyone. Is it? Okay. So, Rudy will begin with the chapter. And where did I leave yesterday? Ha. I got it, I got it. So I think Rudy, you should read in the B section today in the morning. I again read from he looked up questioningly part. Okay, so you two begin in the same manner. Whose mic is on? Kindly mute it. It's creating noise. Please check whosoever it is.
He looked very questioningly. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him. I said, "Want you hear?" Seven nodded. Fact number one. I read. His name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. Do you think that's its real name, Maya? Nisad asked. Probably not, I said. Most crooks have an alias. I added a big question mark after Nath. Fact number two. I read on. The tenants at Shankar's house says he has mad. He is mad, strange and unfriendly. Number three. He doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. But he did look talk to us, Maya, and Mama says he is very polite. Nishad interrupted. He only talked to us because he had to, I have said, and since he was under the mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. Fact number four: he doesn't receive any letters. Seven nodded.
Now, Maya is the person who has made a note of all these pointers, right? And Seven is looking and listening to her very carefully. Now, I would like to invite Aryan Ramesh, to give us the explanation what each point actually states, which is written by Maya.
Ma'am, his name was Mr. Nath. So they think it was uh, uh, different name. So they should discover that name first. Uh,
The first name is not known. That is seems to be the surname.
yes, ma'am. Fact number two. I read on tenants. Ma'am, he read on tenants at Shankar's house that he is mad and strange and unfriendly. He doesn't talk anyone and mannerless. Uh,
So you need to explain how to explain. इसके लिए ये सारी चीजें कही जा रही है मिस्टर नाथ की.
yes, ma'am.
So how do you explain this one?
Ma'am, Mr. Nath don't talk with anyone and he is mannerless. Uh, Fact number four. Uh, he Mr. Nath don't receive any letters.
He doesn't receive.
Any letters.
He के साथ देखो he similar है ना third person similar. तो उसके साथ बहुत ही similar आएगी. तो he के साथ doesn't. Okay, you के साथ don't. Right? Thank you. Aryan, you may go back. Okay, so now, Prince, oh, come here. जल्दी आओ. नहीं नहीं तुम आ जाओ माँ पीछे यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है फैक्ट नंबर फोर तक लेट अस बिगिन विद फैक्ट नंबर फाइव.
Number 5. He has been living in room 10 of Sankar house for more than a year. I continued. Number 6. He does not work and sit in his home all day. Number 7. The kids in Sankar house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. Number 8. He has no visitor except for a spectacled, fair, fat man who visited him on Sunday for lunch. Number 9. Food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. He does not care what he eats, pay his bill immediately and tips well. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything? 7. Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All he could say was, poor man Maya, he must so lonely if he doesn't have any friends.
So all the facts are stated by Prince just now, and what can be the meaning of these last 4 points, Bhavish?
So here we know all the facts about Mr. Nath. In the number fact number 5, we know that he has been living in room 10 of Shankar House for more than a year. So in this, this statement is telling us that the Mr. Nath has been living in that room for 10 of Shankar House. Means he was living in Shankar House for more than a year. Now, fact number 6. He doesn't work and sits in his room all day. So, the fact number 6 is that um, means Mr. Nath. He, yes, ma'am. Never sits in, never steps out from his house. And fact number 7. The kids in Shankar house and even some of the grown ups are scared of him. So this statement is saying that even in the Shankar's house, there are some kids, and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. From which? From Mr. Na, because he is looking very ugly and very dangerous person.
But here I would like to add that what was the reason why the kids were so scared of him? But you, because one reason was his face was so much calm. His चेहरे पे किसी तरह निशान नहीं है ना
Yes.
ऐसे very same. So, and then the other activities that he will never step out of his home. ना he will never talk. उसके पास कोई लेटर्स भी नहीं आते थे.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये सारी चीजें अगर कोई इस तरीके से रहता है तो उस दिन के लिए आप इस क्वेश्चन के लिए we go to him, we talk to him, what he does something bad to us. लेकिन इसने एक डर हमें बना हुआ है.
Yes. So, our fact number 8 is he has no visitors except for a spectacled, fear fat man who visits him on Sundays for lunch. So, in this
There is
fact,
one person,
yes, yes, ma'am, who a fat person who visits him on every Sunday for lunch.
but we still don't know anything about this person.
Uh, yes, sir.
This is still a mystery. Still very suspicious. Suspicious means शक पैदा करना. ये हम भी कौन है? जो मतलब कि look at him. इसका कोई भी friend नहीं है. ये कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जाता. इसके पास कोई letters भी नहीं आते. किसी से मिलता भी नहीं. But who is this man who visits him every Sunday and only he comes every Sunday? And then he talks so loudly. Who? The man. Who visits Mr. है ना? और then there is Ramesh who brings food to Mr. Nath from there from the restaurant which is downstairs.
No, I'm certain. So the fact number 9 is food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything said? So in this fact number 9, uh, the food and tea are taken by in his room by Mr. Ramesh. I think he is the fat one.
No, this is not the bad part. The thing which we should pay attention here, I think, Bush, is that these two brother and sister are in talk. That have you noticed? He who is he? Mr. Ram. He has no specific choice for whom. He doesn't care. If it is written, he doesn't care and tips well. मतलब क्या? कि भाई आप किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में अगर जाएंगे तो अपनी कोई पसंद का खाना खाएंगे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन उसको तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता था कि मैं कुछ भी खाना दे दो. well. So now I think आप लोगों को समझ में आया जो ऑनलाइन है? There's online any doubt? Should I go ahead? Okay. So Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All he could say was, "Poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends." So the brother was just, he just said it nicely and very ponderingly to his sister that just imagine a person who has no friends. He will be so lonely. If a person who sits in a class with you, if he doesn't talk to you and you also don't talk back to him, so how would he be? He would be lonely. Do you feel lonely if your friends doesn't turn up? Huh? The people who are listening to me online, do you feel lonely when your friends never talk to you? They stop talking to you for some fight or maybe because of some reason. How do you feel? Do you feel on top of the world? हाँ अच्छा हुआ मैं कितना अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ मेरा दोस्त मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा टेंशन खत्म हो गई. Do you feel like that? Some might be saying in their heart, ma'am, sometimes when he does not listen to me na, then I feel good. It's okay, stay away, दाग अच्छे नहीं है. Okay, so yeah, so he's just thinking about Mr. Nathu 7. And then what goes on? Okay, now Nishad had obviously not been paying. This I've read, I guess. Yes. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. माया ने ये चीज बहुत ही जोर से चिल्लाते हुए कही कि एक धोखेबाज और एक क्रुक के दोस्त कैसे हो सकते हैं? बेवकूफ तुम. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. So he replies back, "No, Maya, he has one friend. He is the same person who visits him every Sunday. So we cannot say that he is lonely." A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. अब ये माया कहानी हमें सुना रही है ना, तो माया क्या कहती है कि तभी मुझे दिमाग में बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट विचार आया, थॉट आया. That man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice. Accomplice का मतलब a helper in crime, partners in crime. हो सकता है कि ये जो the person who visits him can be his partner in crime. And maybe he keeps all the loot. लूटा हुआ सामान, पैसे, चीजें. Maybe he keeps all the loot. And he comes now and then. अक्सर वो आता जाता रहता था to give part of it to his partner. कौन था partner? Mr. Nath. है ना? Okay, now Mr. Nath for expenses. That's it. I'm sure I'm right. If you insist on calling him a criminal, अगर तुम इतना जोर दे रही हो उसे क्रिमिनल बोलने के लिए, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं तुमसे और कुछ डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा. माया, ठीक है? He is very angry now. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. अगर वो इतना ही खराब व्यक्ति होता तो वो रमेश को इतनी सारी टिप्स पैसे एक्स्ट्रा क्यों देता? कोई बुरा व्यक्ति अपने पैसे बचाना चाहेगा cause he is bad, but he never does so. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet. माया क्या कह रही है? जरूर रमेश कुछ ऐसा जानता है जो कि मिस्टर नाथ से रिलेटेड है, उनके पास से रिलेटेड है, इसलिए उन्हें पैसे दिए जा रहे हैं. किस लिए? कि चॉकलेट खाओ और चुप हो जाओ. ओके, ब्राइब मीन्स घूस देना. डू यू ब्राइब योर पेरेंट्स? डू यू ब्राइब योर टीचर्स? Oh, okay. Good fellows. Never try. Parents के साथ को तो पता नहीं, teachers के साथ तो never try. All right, so moving ahead, on a lighter note, I was saying so Ramesh probably knows something about, this I've read. Nishad glared at me with his arms tightly crossed across his chest, as if Nishad was giving her a very good tough look. बहुत ही गुस्से में उसे देख रहा था. I was beginning to get fed up with him. मेरा तो दिमाग खराब हो रहा था उसके ऐसे tantrums देख के. Who is saying so? Maya. How can we make any progress with our investigations? हम अपनी छानबीन के साथ progress कैसे करेंगे? If यू टेक दैट एटीट्यूड. अगर इस एटीट्यूड के साथ तुम मुझसे बात करोगे और तुम्हारा एटीट्यूड ऐसा ही रहेगा. Who is saying to who? Maya to 7. Yeah, Maya to 7. Correct. Actual name Nishad. I'll cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook. मैं तब तक तुम्हें कॉपरेट नहीं करूंगा जब तक तुम इस आइडिया को गिव अप नहीं कर देती हो कि वो एक भागा हुआ क्रुक है. ठीक है. सेट 7. You really make me angry. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf? I shouted. You make me mad. What is the point of all these enquiries if he is not a crook? है ना. अब वो आपस में ही झगड़ा कर रहे हैं कि इतना हम छानबीन क्यों कर रहे हैं अगर वो क्रुक है ही नहीं. अगर वो अच्छा आदमी है तो फिर हमें छानबीन करने की जरूरत ही क्या है ना. If you think he is nobody, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. अगर वो ऐसा व्यक्ति नहीं है, अगर वो nobody है, मतलब ऑर्डिनरी आदमी, नॉर्मल, तो फिर हम उसके बारे में इतना परेशान क्यों हो रहे हैं? प्लीज मुझे बताओ. निशाद लुक थॉटफुल. अब वो सोच रहा है. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. अब उसको ये लग रहा है कि अगर ऐसा है भी तो भी मैं पता लगाना चाहूंगा कि वो इतना पतला दुबला क्यों है और वो इतना लोनली क्यों रहता है. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. वो अकेले क्यों रहता है? Try to understand 7. If he's lived in Shankar house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there is something wrong. He's obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him to the cops. आप समझ पा रहे हैं माया क्या कह रही है? माया अपना पूरा पॉइंट रख रही है विथ रीजन कि इसीलिए क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहता कि कोई उसे पहचाने. दोस्त बनेंगे तो आएंगे. यस. And correct. So he does not want to leave any scope. Maybe no one has tried to make friends with him. Nishad protested. हो सकता है कि किसी ने कभी उससे दोस्ती करने की कोशिश ही ना की हो. Why should anyone bother? माया कहती है कि किसी को ऐसा करने की क्या जरूरत है. हाँ. I don't care. I like him and I'm going to try and be his friend. मुझे नहीं पता. I like him. मुझे वो आदमी बहुत पसंद है और मैं तो उसका फ्रेंड जरूर बनूंगा. Friends with a crook? Ha, you're crazy. 7. The cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen, you idiot? Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theories seem to have made no impression on him at all. So this is how the chapter comes to a close and how wittily and like it is just a kind of conversation of these two siblings. Yes, ये इनके दिमाग की सारी थॉट प्रोसेसिंग है. ये ऐसा सोच रहे हैं ना. और पूरे एविडेंस के साथ ये अब राइटर ने कितने अच्छे से बताया. हु इज द राइटर? श्रद्धा द्विवेदी. एंड ये जो चैप्टर है आपका ये कहाँ से लिया गया है? फ्रॉम द ब्रोकन फ्लूट. ये आई टेल यू फ्रॉम द ब्रोकन फ्लूट. द ब्रोकन फ्लूट ओरिजिनल काम होगा. उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत सारे स्टोरीज होंगे. उसकी एक स्टोरी होगी ये जिसको एनसीईआरटी में लिया गया. ठीक है. अब समझ पाए आप? छोड़ा नहीं. इट इज जस्ट अ काइंड कि बच्चों का दिमाग देखो कैसे चलता है. अगर आप किसी चीज को सस्पिशियसली देखेंगे तो फिर आपका दिमाग कैसे कैसे एंगल्स में जाएगा एंड देन यू विल ट्राई योर बेस्ट टू रीजन आउट ऑल्सो. यस मैम, I know that teacher is something. You must be very careful. I have seen one big knife in her purse. Do you know? She carries a knife in her water bottle. What is the point, ma'am? There is something fishy. So, it's a kind of story and small anecdote. Anecdote यानी कि एक वाक्या, एक ऐसा वाक्या, एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट एपिसोड आपकी लाइफ में जो आप आपके साथ एक वक्त में हुआ और आप उसे याद करते हैं. सो अ काइंड लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर एंड नेक्स्ट आई होप द स्टोरी इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. So now I would like that you should start taking the question and answers. है ना. आप सबसे पहले तो ये working with the text. Do we have any comprehension check? सबसे पहले आप लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखना शुरू करिए इसका खुद से राइट नाउ, है ना. वी हैव वन मोर पीरियड टुडे, लास्ट पीरियड. उसमें हम ये क्वेश्चन आंसर राइटिंग ही करेंगे और अभी से शुरू करेंगे. You have to begin with your rough copy. Take a pen and a rough copy and start finding the answers of the questions in the book. जैसे कि पहला क्वेश्चन है, What did निशाद give Mr. Nath? Why? तो अब इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या हुआ और इसका आंसर हमें चैप्टर के कौन से पार्ट में मिल सकता है, वैसे अप्लाई करके आप अपने आंसर्स राइटिंग शुरू करो. ढूंढ लो पहले एंड देन यू शुड स्टार्ट राइटिंग. एम आई क्लियर?